going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. You have reached Tesla Pickup. Thank you for tuning in. Alright, real quick, if it's your first time watching the video on part-time pickup, go to thrift stores, estate sales, yard sales, places like that. Today I went to 8 Antique Mall. If you like stuff like that, subscribe! I messed it all up. Anyway, I sell on eBay, and that's the reason why I go to them stores, alright? But yeah, I went to Antique Mall today. I'm gonna show you a little footage of that in a few. My whole day has been messed up, alright? First, I got up, I said, you know what, I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna go to the bin store because it's 25-cent day today. Come on, y'all driving like crazy today. Bruh. It's 25-cent day today over there. I was gonna go over there and see if I can pick up some things for 25 cents. Would have been an excellent video. But I got over there and the line was crazy. It was out the door. It was no way I was gonna be waiting in any type of line, all right? Nope. So I said, okay, Antique Mall opens up at 12. And I went over there. Let me show you some of that footage first. There it goes, y'all. Derby City Antique Mall. Open for business. But they going out of business. So, bruh. Let's see what we can find. Oh, you get paid? How much you get paid for like a week? No, I'm in this Antique Mall down the street from the house. You know what I'm talking about, on Old Borstown down there? It's like an antique mall. Yeah, it's like an antique mall from Old Borstown. It's like down the street from Jackson shop. Everything's half off. I'll be bringing more stuff in the other day. Alright, thanks. Yeah, so I'm down the street. Yeah, I got work late. I got off at 6 o'clock this morning. I need to go back home and go to sleep. So, you know what? I put it in my... You just said I might go and work out. I thought you said work out. Oh, okay. Where's this barbershop at? All right, well, so you see that footage, didn't get anything. All right, now they had, you know, 25, 50, 75% off of stuff, but some of the stuff I looked up, and I knew, you know, I know how Antique Miles is. I wasn't expecting to get anything, and I didn't. But some of the stuff I looked up, even with the 75% off in there, it was still cheaper on eBay.
Oh, come on, man.
You know what I'm saying? So I left there. So I said, I don't want to go out without a fight. And I went over to the old Goodwill. All right? Right here, the Goodwill. Go ahead and see what's up. Hey, I was in there 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Got me an old silver TI 84 or 83, whatever it is. And I bought some toothbrushes, some Crayola toothbrushes. There's like 20, 25 of them in there for $5. I can lock them up, give my kids some as well, brand new, and make my money back probably 5 times. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, sometimes you win, you lose. That's the whole point of this. A year ago, I would have picked up some crazy stuff just to say I picked up something. I was one of those like, hey, I can't leave without anything. You know, I already came up here, got to get something. And we get something that costs $5 and only sells for $15 on eBay. You know what I'm saying? So like, you know, sometimes you just got to leave the situation. Sometimes you're not going to purchase nothing all the time, all right? But at least you still got your money. You understand what I'm saying? You can put that towards something else that will make you a better profit, all right? So, I don't know if this is gonna be the end of the video or not, man. This is a short one. I'm gonna go in here and, oh, another thing I meant to tell you. I tried to cut the grass today, and I forgot last week when I cut the grass. My gas cap fell off, and I ran over the gas cap. And it went into a million pieces, so I had to order another gas cap. Hopefully it comes in today. It's just crazy today, man. All right, let's see what else we got in store. All right, real quick. Go over some socks that's going out. Got some nice looking ones, man. They're getting better and better every time. The concepts you people are coming out with are great. All right, these first ones is going out to let's see, Daniel Cruz. He left a little note before I go. Well, let's let me get into the socks first. Look at these. Well, let me get the note first. He said, come on, Dave, you had it up. No, it ain't up. He said, hello, Dave, enjoy watching your channel. I would like to get 2 pair of customs, some socks for my daughter, Jolette Faye, who turns 18 in March and graduating from high school also. We cannot celebrate her birthday due to the pandemic. Yeah, it sucks, man. And we got a lot of that going around, which is terrible. The custom socks I would like to be made for her is an image of her emoji, basically, and another pair with the Rugrats and her emoji on them, for the most part. So thanks so much. Anyway. And here's the Rugrats, man. This one right here turned out great. Basically, he didn't send me any pictures of Rugrats, so I found my own Rugrats picture. So I found that picture, and these right here are the emojis of her. That up there, that one, those two, that one down there, and those two down there. And then I just mixed her in with the Rugrats. They turned out pretty good, actually, man. They turned out great. I like them. So thanks, Daniel, man. These are nice. I love the way these turned out. I always like the cartoon looking ones. Those always turn out the best. And here's the other pair that I did for her. It's just of all of her emojis. They sent me like 3 pages of emojis, and I just picked out a couple and put them all over the socks. These turned out great. Like I said, Daniel, I appreciate the support and the love, and thanks for watching the channel. All right. The next pair I got going out is I guess she's the viewer. His name's Alan, and he said, "My name is Alan, and I would love a pair of your socks with my name on them." And then he just sent his address. Okay, so that was all he gave. He just said he wants a pair with his name on them. And Alan, I could have just sent you a pair with just your name on it and just, all right, here you go, in black and white. But you know how I am. I had to hook it up. Now, I don't know if you're gonna like this, but you know, since you just kind of put it out there broad like that, I just put the little Tesla picker love on it. Yes, and this is what I came up with, man. I wrote your name a bunch of different times in a bunch of different colors and kind of put it on the background. Different fonts, different colors. These actually turned out pretty good, man. I'm thinking about doing me a Tesla picker pair like this and giving them away as a giveaway. Look at that. Alan, 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 Alan. Turned out great, man. The colors pop on them. I'm liking how they look. Just to kind of give y'all a close up. I'm filming on the GoPro, you know, you can't really focus in, so this is really the bad. That's why usually when I do my sock videos, I use my DSLR, but I'm using my GoPro today, and you know what I'm saying? You gotta get it how you get it. So yeah, man, these are the only ones I have going out today. These turned out great. These will be in the mail. And again, thank y'all for purchasing. I do have some other ones from viewers. I will put those in the next video, so be patient with me. I'm sorry. But yeah, thanks Alan and Daniel for purchasing the socks. Okay, I guess I'll end the video of showing y'all what I did get from the Goodwill. I just got 4 things. Told y'all 2. I don't know why I didn't tell y'all the rest, but I ended up getting 4 different things. I hope you can see me and hear me in my garage. There's never enough light in here. Bing, here we go right here. Got this Panasonic forehead VCR, blue stripe one. You know how the blue stripe ones are. They tend to do pretty good. Don't have the comps right now, but I'm sure I'll look it up, put it on the screen for you. Great buy. I just picked it up. I see a lot of people picking this one up with the blue stripes, so I just went on ahead and picked it up. I didn't even know the model number. It was sitting there, so I grabbed it. You understand? I think the 2 I did tell you about, I told you about this, and y'all see me in the video pick this up. Oh man, if I can get it out. A graphic calculator, TI-84 Silver Edition. This is a great buy. Silver Edition usually does pretty good. It does have some writing on the back. I'm guessing I can get that out some type of way. But sometimes I don't even worry about getting it off. I sell it and people buy them anyway. As long as it's working, that's all that matters. I'm guessing you can get a couple extra dollars by taking it off, but I never knew the difference. I've sold 2 of the same exact graphic calculators. One with writing on it, one without any writing on it, and they both went for the same. So I tend to not even worry about that. But you know, if I get some goo on or something and I'm in the mood to do it, I'll take it off. All right. So I got that. Got a bunch of Crayola toothbrushes. I say it's about 15 of them in here. Paid $5 for the bag. I can sell the bag for about probably $30. So that's a great buy. And I bought this pet training mat. Let's see. I have to look up the comps on this, but I believe this was going doing pretty good money if I can remember. But yeah, that's all I got. Hopefully y'all can see me. That's all I got. I mean, when everything else fails you, go to the good old Goodwill and maybe you get lucky, maybe you don't.
Yes, sir.
I'm doing better by not just picking up anything in the Goodwill, and I believe these are 4 solid purchases. And that's what I'm trying to do from now on. I'm trying to scale up, pay a little bit more, and not buy as much little stuff. But we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.